Name the attribute being compared. Length answers how long. Weight answers how heavy.
Today, watch the scene carefully. Mathematical structure is part of the world, and it can be seen before it is named. Look at this tall reed directly in Wren's path. The reed stretches from bottom to top. That stretch is its length. We could ask how long it is. The reed's length can be measured. Further along the bank, Wren encounters a smooth stone. The stone presses down when carried. That press is its weight. We could ask how heavy it is. The stone's weight can be measured. At the edge of the water rests a large drift log. Consider its shape and how it settles in the mud. What can be measured about this log? We could ask how long the log is. We could also ask how heavy it is. One object can have two measurable attributes. The log has both a length and a weight to measure. Finally, Wren wades into the shallows where a shell rests on the bottom. To ask how long the shell is, which attribute fits? How long asks about length. How heavy would ask about weight. Match the question to the attribute. How long is answered by the shell's length. When we look closely at the marsh, the environment itself holds the math. The labels mark the attributes we observe, while Wren's movement brings those properties into focus. Which label shows the most important mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action prove it?
One log can have more than one measurable attribute. Its length and its weight can both be described.